Okay, how's everybody doing out there? First of all, my name is Kenneth Bird. I'm the creator of Crystal Age Technology Screens using Smart Technology Gaming. Today we're going to talk about what a real ambient light projection screen should look like. And also, too, you should be able to treat your projection screen much like you treat your TV. Now, one of the things people think about when it comes to projectors and home theater is the fact that you have to be in the dark, that your living room is going to be in the dark. Anywhere you're going to have that projection screen or projector at, you're going to have to be in the dark due to the fact that if any light hits the screen, if your walls are too white, then the screen is automatically going to wash out. And that's not so with our technology. If you watch our demonstrations, and as I always say, look on the internet, look around, see how many people are doing demonstrations on our level, and then get back with us. Now, here's my TV right here. Of course, if you have a TV, you don't have to turn out your lights. You don't have to worry about the condition, how white your walls are. You don't have to worry about positioning a projector. You don't have to worry about any of that. Just take a TV, turn it on, and you're done. That's basically about it. You don't have to go through calibrating or anything else with a TV. Some people calibrate their TVs, but, you know, most people don't. So, with our technology, you can take the projector right out the box. You don't have to calibrate it, no 4K upscaling, and you can keep it in the factory default settings, and the screen will look amazing. Now I can back this up. Now watch this. I'm going to show you something right here. Now watch. Right here, I have my PS4 on my Invisible Nano. This is an Eclipse Invisible Nano wallpaper screen. I'm using it for my desk right now. This is regular desk what it looks like, and this is with the Nano screen. This is an actual flexible screen that I'm using for my desk, and I'm actually using my Epson 475WI Bright Link projector. I got this projector for around $230 on eBay. Very good vendor who sold it to me. But these projectors usually run between $1,700 and $1,800. I got a very good deal. Actually got blessed big time on that projector right there, and it runs perfectly. Alright, so this right here, I'm on my PS4 interface, and as you can see, with all the lights that we have, actually went and got a brighter light than the last one because I felt it wasn't giving me enough light. But as you can see, look at my TV and look at my screen. Now, some of you will probably say, well, Ken, guess what? That right there is an ultra short throw projector. Of course, the picture quality is going to look fantastic. Keep in mind, this is the Invisible Nano. I took this screen outside around 10 feet back using that projector right there, which is my VIEWSONIC long throw, which is sitting at 13 feet back in a fully lit environment. Plus, it's cross-platforming with another projector. Right here on the end, you can see where the projector is hitting the screen right at the end, and the screen is not affected. But I'm going to show you something. Now, at 13 feet back, that's as far as my room goes back. I'm going to show you what this projector is hitting. This right here is my black Nano. This is a real black Nano projection screen. Well, actually screen paint. It's actually coated on a sheet of plexiglass. All these, this is plexiglass, this is plexiglass. Now keep in mind, look at the screen here, and look at the screen here. Fully lit environment. Now let's do a little bit of demonstration of this right here. One of the things I will show you in this demonstration is no matter where we set the screen, no matter where we set the projector, and whatever environment we set it in, the screen is going to thrive. Now the reason why I'm doing this is because some people will have, when I say some people on YouTube, other people, big companies will have their setup arranged in a certain way so the screen can thrive. These are uncontrolled environments. Mind you, my projector is sitting back 13 feet from the screen. This is the angle that the screen is picking up. At 13 feet back, fully lit environment. And I don't have to be subjected to a dark environment. This is my office / gaming room, so I can't be in the dark in here. I just can't. I need light to be able to see the paperwork. You know, I'm working on my website, reading emails. This is stuff that, you know, I do a lot of paperwork. I have to have lights on here constantly all the time. And as you can see, with this much light hitting the screen, it doesn't wash out, it doesn't fade, the colors don't look bland. It looks gorgeous. And this is a nano black. Like I said, I know the Eclipse, the Eclipse that kind of mixes it. The Eclipse Invisible Nano is brighter than a Nano Black, but as I said, the Nano Black white levels are amazing for this kind of technology. Look at the black levels on this screen. Don't even wash out. This much light hitting the screen and the black levels are not fading. Right in the front view of it. Now, as I said, I can sit here in my environment. Sorry about the camera moving from side to side, but I can sit here in my environment and relax, watch my TV shows, whatever I want on my screen, and I don't have to worry about it washing out and fading. This is one of the beautiful things about our technology. This is on an uncalibrated. None of these projectors have been calibrated. None of these projectors are using any form of 4K upscaling. Still setting the factory default settings and still performing on this level. Alright, so now we're going to take a walk downstairs. And like I said, I can walk in any environment in my house. Lights will be on and the screen is going to react the same way with no problem. There we are downstairs. This is my Platinum slate. This is also a Nano. This is a 178-inch 235.1 using my short throw projector. Now keep in mind, upstairs I had a long throw VIEWSONIC full 1080p. That's on the black Nano. I have an Epson 475 WI ultra short throw, and now I have my short throw downstairs, which is the VIEWSONIC XGA 720p projector. This is the quality my screen is picking up. For the environment, you can see condensed lighting hitting the screen. Look how bright the environment is, and the screen looks absolutely fantastic. Now, as you can see, I can use sorry about my screens just like a TV. I don't have to subject myself to being in a dark environment. And keep in mind, like I said, you watch me walk from environment to environment, actually one environment to the next environment, you can see that clearly I'm not using any form of control in my environment. Now this is my dimmer switch right here. Dimmer switch. Right there, this is the screen with this, put the lights down. Show you how magnificent. This is 720p, keep in mind. Keep in mind this technology has color enhancement technology, a smart technology gain times 10. And this is on a 720p projector. This is the image I'm pulling up. Uncalibrated. Now here, watch my hand right here, all the way up. See that? All the way up. This is my dimmer switch. Come over in here into my dining room. And anywhere I go in this environment, the screen's gonna look fantastic. This is why we get contracts. I'm not trying to be rude or anything or disrespectful or anything, but this is why we get contracts. A contract, I'm going to tell you something right now. Getting a big contract for your company is the most amazing blessing you could ever get. And I'll tell you why. Because, like I said, with that contract, regardless, you are on a contract. You get paid you get paid regardless. That's it. You get paid regardless. You have a company that's buying tons and tons of paint from you, and it's being showcased, and I'm telling you, it is fantastic to have a company come in and be interested in your technology. And as I said before many times, if your technology, they have to contact you. Okay, listen to me. They have to contact you. it's very rare that you can send them information and they will basically reply to it. They have to contact you to find something that's interesting in what you have that nobody else is doing. And once you obtain that contract, then the ball rolls from there. I mean, then you have the ability to be able to market your product to big companies that are interested in your technology. And right now, for any company that's watching this, they can see exactly how advanced our technology is. And like I said, I challenge you, go anywhere you want on the internet and see if you find people that are doing demonstrations just like us. Now here's me going back up my stairs. I'm gonna go back into my office. I gotta clean my rug. Whew. Back in my office. TV right there. There you go. Alright, I'm Kenneth Bird from Crystal Edge Technology Screens using Smart Technology Gain. We are still accepting contracts for that new Eclipse Invisible Nano. So that right there, and we also have some new technology we're working on right now. We can't show you that right now because that's being customized for our distributor contracts. But like I said, you know, in order for you to be able to obtain a contract, you got to show that your technology is worth its weight in gold. Alright, hope you enjoyed the video demonstration. I'd like to thank you all for watching. I'm Kenneth Bird from Crystal Edge Technology Screens using Smart Technology Gain. Thank you all for your time.